Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. This is Attorney B and today guys we'll be opening the newest box of Leaf. So this is Leaf Metal Signature Series Multi-Sport 2024 and there are only 2 cards in the box and both are one-of-one autograph cards. So do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we will open the 2024 Leafs Metal Signature Series. It was released last June 30. So this is the newest box of Leaf Metal. And ang ganda nito guys kasi there are quad signatures, triple signatures, single signatures. There are 2 cards in a box and both are 2 one-of-one autograph cards. So, good luck. Pero multi-sport to So, pwede tayo makakuha ng tennis, soccer. Ito, Lionel Messi, Rafael Nadal, one-of-one. May basketball rin. Ito, Stephen Curry. Merong different sports. Baseball, football, and other sports. So hopefully sana makakuha tayo ng basketball, So good luck to us. This is quite an expensive box. So let's see kasi nga you're guaranteed to get 2 one-of-ones. So naka-sealed naman siya. So we'll open the seal. And good luck to us. Oh my God. Sana maganda. Okay. So there you are. So there's a pack here. Ayan. So ayan. And this is the pack. And inside are 2 cards. Ayan. Mukhang basketball. Nice. Pero mukhang hindi yung So our first card, Jason Williams. Jason Williams, one-of-one. Tatago muna natin yung isa. So Jason Williams, one-of-one. Yan. Metal Signature Series. Ayan ang one-of-one. As you can see, authentic autograph. White chocolate. Yan. Jason Williams, one-of-one. Nice. And our second pack. A second card. Sana maganda siya. Usually, ang second card mas maganda So, uy. Mukhang basketball rin. Ooh, Larry Legend. Larry Bird, one-of-one. Art Signature Series. Wow. Larry Bird, one-of-one. Ayan, one-of-one. Larry Bird. Ayos. Ang pinili natin, basketball. Sana yun, nakuha natin both basketball cards. Jason Williams, one-of-one. White chocolate. And the legend, Larry Bird, one-of-one. So what do you think guys? Okay ba tong product na to? So again guys, if you want to see more contents like this, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. Till the next opening guys. Bye!